Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to accelerate your Google Drive uploads and boost your transfer rates effectively. This straightforward tutorial is meant to optimize your workflow and maximize your internet connection. Let's begin improving your upload performance right now. Start by launching your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google Drive site. Sign in with your account details to access your main dashboard. It is vital to have a reliable internet connection to prevent any disruptions during this process. Once you are on your Drive home screen, find the specific file you intend to upload. If it is located within a particular folder, go ahead and open that directory. After locating the file, right-click on it to open the context menu. Move your mouse over the Open with selection, then click on the Connect More Apps link. This step is crucial because utilizing third-party extensions can significantly improve Drive's native features, specifically your upload velocity. A new window will appear featuring a search field. Type Speed into this box. You are looking for tools designed to refine and speed up file transfers. You should see an application called Speed Uploader for Google Drive. This is the specific utility we will use to quicken the upload phase. Select Speed Uploader for Google Drive to view its information page, then hit the Install button. This will start linking the app to your account. You may need to authorize certain permissions for the software to work correctly. That is all there is to it. By following these instructions, you have added a powerful tool to Google Drive that should notably enhance your upload speeds. Keep in mind that results can vary based on your local bandwidth and other external factors, though you should see a clear improvement. Thank you for watching and upgrading your digital toolkit. If this guide helped you, please subscribe for more useful tech tips. Enjoy your faster uploads, and I will see you in the next video.